so the first thing I did for the installation of the Osaki Pro Maxim is I went ahead and plugged the chair in and I turned it on from the back. That way it's going to lean up. The second part I did is I went ahead and got the bolts out. There's going to be 2 bolts for each side, and it's going to have 2 washers right here. Went ahead and set them right here, one right here. Alright, so applying the armrest, the first thing you're going to do is you want to make sure that you see your hoses right here that you're going to connect. 2 hoses right here. You're going to connect those. And then your lights. You're also going to connect that. Alright. So also on the back end, over here, there's a little knob right here. It's going to go in the back section right here. And the 2 hooks right here are going to go right here on the bar. You want to make sure you put it back. It's nice and snug. Second part is you're going to see a zipper right under here. I already went ahead and unzipped it. It's right here on the bottom. You just unzip it right here. You have your bolts with your washer. You have your Allen key, and you're going to line up your bolts right here on the bottom. Make sure it's nice and snug. Make sure you do the same instructions as on the other side. Alright, the next step is going to be the control arm. After I put on both of the side panels, you want to go ahead and get 4 of your screws that come with it, and the screwdriver, the Phillips that comes with it. So you are going to put it in here. You're going to match all 4 lines up. You want to make sure they line up right there. And the screwdriver is magnetic, which is helpful. One at a time. Just want to screw them all in there. And that's it. After you get your side panels on and your bracket for the remote control and everything's sturdy, you want to make sure you come down here, you want to use a pair of pliers, and you want to pull the pins out. There's 3 of them. There's 2 long ones at the top. There's 1 in the bottom bracket. Okay, my next step in the installation of the ottoman is I'm going to bring it up to it. There's 2 hoses with white clasp on them. You want to bring them together. Make sure they're secure. And there's 4 black cables. You want to make sure they go together. Alright, and there's going to be 2 arrows on each side, right here. Again, 2 arrows. Okay, the next step is attaching this lower bar, and you're going to use the smaller bolt. Just going to feed it through. Alright, one of the last steps you do is you want to put in your bolts on the top. There's 2 of them. You want to put this fat side on the bottom. Then insert your pin. Now repeat on the other side. Alright, after your 2 bolts are in, go ahead and zip the bottom.